Hello, in this video we're going to analyze elastic properties like Young's modulus and shear modulus and other properties like this. First of all, open a structure. Let's do a simple structure of iron. And this is our iron structure. Let's go to the space type, choose its space settings, ball and stick. Okay, go again. Decrease the stick radius, increase the ball radius. Now you can visualize it clearly. To check any properties, we first need to do its geometry optimization. So first we're gonna do geometry optimization of this structure. I will be doing express settings. You can refer to my old geometry optimization video to know how to set up all the parameters here for geometry optimization. I will put the link in the description. Click run. It will be completed in a few minutes. Okay, the geometry optimization is completed. Open up the geometry optimized structure here. This is the convergence. Open up the structure again. Here, go to setup. Here, choose elastic constant instead of geometry optimization. All other properties remain same. Here, I will be doing converting it to 2 just because this is a demo video, or it will take a lot of time to analyze these properties for this calculation. So I will be doing it 2. So it will run all the calculation 2 times and take the average on 6 different strain values. And no need to change here as well. Electronic, there is no need to change anything. Simple here. If you want to check other properties, you can check it. And then you should open this geometry optimized structure node, this initial structure. Your open structure must be optimized one. And then click run. It will take a lot more time than geometry optimization. Let's wait. Okay, it is completed now. Click OK. Now you can see these are the parameter files and these are calculation file. Open up the CASTEP file and go at the bottom to check if it is completed or not. So the calculation is completed successfully. So open up the structure, go to CASTEP analyze, and here this is the elastic constant, and then calculate. So here we have all the elastic constant properties in this text file. Go at the bottom. So you can see here the bulk modulus of Vigat and all, and shear modulus, Young's modulus, and Poisson's ratio as well. And then if you go a little bit above, you can see elastic compliance and elastic stiffness constants, and you can check all the other properties here in this file. Thank you guys. Like this video and subscribe to my channel.